Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock text on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in docs.google.com in the address bar and press enter. If you're logged into your Google account already, then you can just go ahead and create a new document or open your desired document where you want to add locked text. Now, since there is no direct option to right-click a text and then click on a lock button, we need to do this in a different way. Click on Insert and then choose Watermark. Now, once you have this selected, you will see the watermark option at the right side. Simply click on Text, and now you can insert your desired text. Just go ahead and type in your desired text, and then you can select from various fonts, the size and formatting as well. You can also set up the text orientation and then its transparency level. After setting up all of the options and the placement option as well, you can click on the Done button, and now this will add your locked text as a watermark within your document. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add locked text on your Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.